everyone, welcome to our cooperative meeting. Today we gather not only as farmers and members, but as partners in building a stronger future to our coconut industry. Our cooperative was founded on the belief that unity and shared effort can transform livelihoods. By working together, we ensure that every coconut harvested in our community carries the story of sustainability, fairness, and local pride. This session will walk us through our cooperative profile, market analysis, marketing objectives, and strengths. We will also discuss how each member plays a role in marketing, how we plan our budget, and how we will monitor and evaluate our progress. Let's remember, our cooperative is more than just business. It is family working hard, hand in hand for growth, resilience, and community empowerment. With that, let's begin our roleplay and explore how we can make our coconut product thrive in the market.
So good afternoon everyone. So today we will review our cooperative marketing plan for our coconut products. So let's begin with our profile. So our cooperative, Bukidnon Coconut Growers Cooperative, was found to empower small farmers. So we have 120 active members producing coconut, copra, virgin coconut oil, and coconut-based snacks. So our mission is to uplift livelihoods through sustainable farming and fair trade.
So here's our marketing analysis. So the first one is strength. High quality coconut, strong member commitment, and eco-friendly practices. So atong weaknesses kay limited branding and small marketing budget. So the third one is opportunities. So rising demand for organic coconut oil, export potential, and local health conscious consumers. So the last one, kay threats. So price fluctuations, competition from larger companies, and employment risk. So ako na po na-explain ang marketing objectives nato. So ang atong objectives kay mo siya kailangan na i-increase ang local sales by 20% in 1 year. And the second one is kailangan po nato i-build a recognizable brand for our coconut oil. And the last one is explore partnership with health stores and cooperative nationwide. So here's our 4-piece strategy. So product, price, place, and promotion. So the product is virgin coconut oil, coconut chips, and copra. So ato ang price is affordable but competitive, 180 pesos per liter or visco. So please, local markets, cooperative stores, and online platforms. Promotion is social media campaigns, community fairs, and member-led product demos.
Yung consistent supply para maka-join ka sa mga product fairs.
Same po sa youth member, dependent sa social media promotion o mag-create po sila engaging content. So, excellent everyone as our marketing.
Description, estimated cost. So the first one is packaging materials, bottles, jars, eco pouches. So ang iyang estimated cost is 15,000. So sa atuan mga marketing collaterals, nadiri ang flyers, poster, and banners. So ang atuang estimated cost is 5,000. And also sa social media ads, nadiri ang Facebook, boost, TikTok promotion, like atong estimated cost niya is 8,000. So sa training session naman, materials, snacks, insulator, fees, ang estimated cost na is 7,000. So sa market stall setup, nadiri ang tent, tables, and signage. So ang estimated cost na is 10,000. So the last one nga icon na is miscellaneous. So nadiri ang transportation, out contingency. So ang estimated cost niya is 5,000. So muna to ang budget na.
So, our monitoring and innovation is to track progress. So, review sale report monthly, conduct quarterly member feedback session, and adjust strategies based on marketing trends. So, thank you everyone. With teamwork,
Go.
so thank you everyone. With teamwork, our cooperative will thrive. Let's commit this plan and make our coconut products known across Bukidnon and beyond.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Go.
Felicia as a chairperson.
Sarah as a marketing officer and treasurer.
Alan and Shirley Value as farmer and my co-farmers.
Angeline Jaime.
Thank you, everyone.